All right, everybody, welcome to the video here for lesson number 1 and unit number 2. So for this lesson, we learned how to reduce rational expressions and find undefined values. So for the first question, I see some difference of two cubes in the numerator. So I'm going to start by factoring. So I have a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared, all divided by b minus a and b plus a. Notice the order is important here. So in the denominator, I see two expressions that each give me an undefined value. B can't be a, and b can't be negative a if I solve each one. And I also notice that the first parenthesis reduces to a negative 1. So I can rewrite this answer as negative a squared minus ab minus b squared all over a plus b, where b cannot equal positive or negative a. That would be our answer. Now, because of the negative, I can actually rewrite that answer a couple different ways. That would just be one equivalent answer. For number 2, in the numerator, I see a GCF of 4a, which leaves us with a minus 3. In the denominator, what multiplies to 9 but adds to make negative 6 is going to be minus 3. Notice both negatives because it's a negative 6. And I notice that these are going to reduce to 1. So my final answer is 4a all over a minus 3b, where a cannot equal 3b. Notice there's only one undefined value because those two are the same. Number 3, if I factor the top, I have x minus 4, x plus 3. The denominator, if you rewrite that, it's negative x squared minus 2x plus 8. If you divide out a negative 1, it's x squared plus 2x minus 8, which becomes x minus 4 plus 4, and x minus 2. Nothing here reduces, so that's my answer, where x cannot equal negative 4 or positive 2. Notice I just put the negative where it was. I could put it in the numerator if I want to. It's not going to make anything reduce, so it's a waste of our time. 9 minus x squared becomes 3 plus x, 3 minus x, x minus 3 to the third power. I don't have to multiply that out. I'm just going to reduce one of these with one of these. So that's going to leave me with 3 plus x in the numerator divided by x minus 3 squared in the denominator, where x cannot equal positive 3. Last one, nice and short homework assignment tonight. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. So in the numerator, nothing can be factored or combined. In the denominator, I can factor that, difference of two squares. Is reduced to a 1. I get 1 over 3x plus 2i. And my undefined values are, if I take 3x minus 2i equals 0, I could add 2y to the other side. I can then say 3x equals 2y divided by 3. And I get x equals 2y over 3. So I could say x cannot equal plus or minus 2y over 3. And that's a perfectly acceptable undefined answer. Hopefully this video helped. As you're going through here, just notice we are practicing our factoring skills. We'll practice them a little bit more even tomorrow. You'll notice multiplying and dividing is almost exactly the same as we just did today. If you didn't get a chance to get the last few answers to the notes in class, they're on the other attachment I have here on Google Classroom showing you all the notes from class. Good luck.